Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. In the Senzo Meyiwa case today at High Court in Pretoria, kuqala kwa-introduce ama-students enza i-LLB at UNISA. The comments, guys, on that is like, hey, Nina, hope you don't learn corruption there from loyo bamgulukude ubaloyi. Imagine, guys, it's a lot. Ngoba vele into azifunda lapha bangayenza kwamanye ama-courts lawa abantu. You know? Untanzi tried to be polite on advocate George Baloyi, telling him, you know what, this thing that you're telling me, we are processor, it's not the truth, you know. And every time when I ask you something, information I had the phone on me. I'll phone information. There's something about Tanzi. Wasn't mincing his words there. He was just like, I don't care about you anymore. I'm actually so tired. And then Michael Baloyi jumps to the photos. Give a like. Defense is not gonna play with him. Guys, if you remember very well in 2025, especially beginning of the year and mid-year, I used to say, you know what, Isingazimfene's Pandle estate is actually done. And Ubaloyi has been buried, literally. In JA1, the state is done, guys. They are KC, they're always trying to rise up. Bavugo. That is why I even gave him that name in 2024. Ngati Udayhard. Well, he doesn't give up. Because at the back of my mind, I'm just like, you know what, I get it. He's getting paid every month for it. They're like, bruh, we don't care what you do. But you need to just delay us and delay everything and do whatever you need to do. We don't give. You know? You are getting paid for it. You're not doing us a favor. So he's always told that. It's just like, oh my gosh, I must wake up. I must come back again. He's always having comebacks that don't work. Like now. How Untanzi was trashing him. You're not telling the truth, bro. You need to stop. I didn't have a phone. Like I've been repeating myself. And when I want information from you, you don't give me. Like what's up with that? Like at the back of his mind, Ubaloyi was just like, oh my gosh, bazongeke defense. And we ask more especially uzithulele remains silent ngoba vele uyayithulela ngosele nqumali. The next thing asukume attorney Sipho Ramusipili athi bra please stop with these shenanigans zakho and these tactics zakho that don't work. Can you just stop? Asukume Umnisi athi, you know what's going on now? We were not even given these pictures, right? Singanikiwe njena lama photos. What happened was that sanigwa, but these ones we've never seen in our lives ever. Like this is the first time. I said to advocate Charles Mnisi, listen, bruh, I tell you, my lord, this is trial by ambush. Please, there's snacks that you normally do as the state trying to make a comeback. It will never work. Alright, but guys, did you see how attorney Sipho Ramusipili was looking at the state after he was done, telling them, which I have never seen this picture before. I was just like, Ramusipili has taken other directions, and he never used to be like this. He's just like Lalela. I own the space. What are you gonna do?
On the 21st of September 2020, there's an incoming call from Lebo on the number ending 1698. It's an MTC, an incoming call on 21 September 2020 at 15:59 and 33 seconds. That lasted 8 seconds to your number 6890.
Elandelayo futhi ke i-call ke ephumayo ke buya ke number ngalebo yona legcina ngo1698 ke usuku lwakhona beku21 September ngo2020 isikhathi ke ku15:59:33 ucingo lwakhona ke leyo nombolweni yakho ke yona legcina ngo6890.
Then on the same day at 16:17 and 17 seconds, there's an incoming text message or an empty SMS from Lebo's number ending 1698 to your number ending 6890.
Uma siqhubeka futhi ngalo lona lo suku lolo futhi umhla ka 21 uSeptember kodwa manje isikhathi ke ku 16 17 ke second kwaba khona ke umlayezo ke ongenayo ubuya ke nombolini kaLebu yona legcina ngo 1698 ke iza ke nombolini yakho legcina ke ngo 6890.
Then still on the 21st of September 2020 at 16, 17 and 19 seconds, there is an incoming text message, an empty SMS from your mother's number 0790696 to your number ending 6890 at 16, 17 and 19 seconds. The tower is 3G Queenswood, NGA.
Mhla ka 21 September futhi ngaye ke 2020 isikhathi ke ku 16 17 19 kuye kwakhona ke umlayezo ke osuka ke nombolini kama wakho ke u0790696750 eyake ecingweni lakho ke lelo gcina ngo 6890 umbhoshongo wakhona ke beku Queenswood.
Then still on the 21st of September 2020 at 16:38:35, there's an incoming call, an MTC from Lebo's number ending 16980, lasting 41 seconds, to your number ending 6890. And the tower is 3G Queenswood, NGA.
Mhla 21 September futhi ngo 2020 isikhathi ke ku 6:38:35 kwakhona ke ucingo oluphuma ke icingweni kaLebu ke inombolo yakhe egcina ngaye ke u1698 iza kuwena ke inombolo yakhe egcina ngo 6890 elathatha ke 41 seconds umbhoshongo wakhona ku Queenswood.
Then at 16:39, just under a minute later, there's another incoming call from an MTC from Lebo's number ending 1698 to your number ending 6890. Still on the 21st September 2020 at 16:39:47.
Ngalo futhi lona lo suku lo sikhuluma ngalo umhla ka 21 September kwakhona futhi ke luncingo liphumayo ke suka nombolini kaLebu yona legcina ngo 1698 ke iya ke nombolini yakho legcina ngo 6890 umbhoshongo futhi ku Queenswood.
Do you have any comment to proffer on the calls that appear on this page?
Khona mhlawumbe ufuna ukusho ngala makhulu avelayo ke kuleli khasi esikhuluma ngalo ke u31.
Mina ngifanele uphendule one ukuthi ngangena phone kosenkantolo.
I still stand my lot on the same answer that I did not have a phone.
Ngoba la khona lapho kufunda khona umshishisi khona bokuvela khona number kaMabhena ukuthi yayixhumana nephone kaMabhena ephoyisa.
And on the same page where the prosecutor is reading, there is also a place where it shows that my number with Mabhena's number.
Mr. Ntanzi, we have posited to you that there are 1,718 calls between your number and Lebo's number. You've indicated that Lebo's number 072-619-1698 was not on your phone book, Annexure 3, is that correct?
Mnumzane Ntanzi siye sakubekela ukuthi ke uma kubalwa ke kubonakala ukuthi ke khona ke ama calls ke ngaba yi 1718 ke ngaphakathi kwakho ke nayo uLebu inombolo yakho uLebu loku 0726191698 wena futhi ke waphinda wabeka la enkantolo wathi ke le nombolo le esikhuluma ngayo ke u0726191698 ayikho ke encwadini ezingcingo zakho kunjalo.
Siqala siphele silungise lapha ngosenkantolo. Hayi ukuthi kwaxhumana mina na ifoni yayisemaphoyiseni uMabhena noMhame.
I'd like us to correct one thing first before we can proceed. It was not a contact.
It
was not a contact between myself and Lebu because my phone was with Mohale.
yebo inamba yakhe ngangayisevile inamba yakhe bengiyazi ngekhanda ngalezi ikhadi.
Yes, it is correct that her number was not saved on my phone book since I knew her number of head.
Now, how would the person that called her number will have known about this number, about her number?
Manje ke lo muntu le umfonelile yena uLebo waze njani ngenamba yakhe le uLebo?
If it was not on your phone book.
Uma ngabe ke le nombolo le kaLebo le u0726191698 ibingekho ke encwadini yakho ezincane.
Angithi le number la uLebo khile bayifonela ngithi ayibone online angithi ku WhatsApp no Facebook efuna ukwazi ukuthi nguphi njengomuntu engihambe phambi kwakhe.
This Lebo will call my number because she will see that I was live on Facebook and she wanted to know where I was.
Sikhumbule futhi phambi kwenkosi enkantolo ukuthi mangiboshwa mina wamtshela ngalutho amaphoyisa ukuthi ngiyami njengomuntu wayekhona endlini.
And I like us also to recall that when I was arrested, the police officers did not tell her anything of where they are taking me to, and she was present, she was at home.
Manje unelungelo ukuthi afonele inombolo yami ngoba inombolo yami uyayibona ukuthi ivule. Fanele ayifonele abuze ukuthi kwenzakalani. Unelungelo.
She has the right to call my number since she can see that my number does go through, and she has the right to call to find out of my whereabouts.
Okwesibili la doctor lo wasephukeni lo doctor ngawe uyasibhedlela inamba yakhe ibhaliwe la. Amaphoyisa ngenza ukuthi inamba yakhe bese yazi ukuthi ibhaliwe le liphepha eliphambi kwakhe Dr. Hloko.
And also in reference to Dr. Hlope, the one in Phuke, Hlokwe, sorry.
Yes.
In reference to the number of Dr. Hlokwe, the one who is in Phukeng, his number or her number is also written here. The police officials saw it.
It's Lebo's number, the only number that is not on your phone book.
Manje ke inombolo kaLebo kuphela ke engekho ke encwadini yakho ezincane.
Akusiyo kuphela mina angithi ngiphendule khoti athi angibuze nalega 333 egcineni ayikho ifonela ibhaliwe phela.
No, it's not only Lebo's number that does not appear on my Facebook. I was just answering to what you were asking me. And just to add, even this other number that ends with 3332 is not on my contact book.
But once again, Ms. Ntanzi, to come back to the original question, if Lebo's number is not on your phone book, the person who called her number, how would that caller have known about Lebo's number?
Mnumzane Ntanzi masiphinde futhi sibuyele futhi kulombuzo lo bobuzo wona eqaleni. Uma ngabe ke inombolo le kaLebo ke ayikho ke encwadini yakho yezincingo. Lo muntu lo ubefonela uLebo ke uyaze kanjani inamba le ukuthi kaLebo?
Lento simple phambi kwenkosi enkantolo mawuthola imiss call efonela ngithi uyayifonela ubuyele kuya ngithi.
This thing is simple, my lord. If you find a missed call on the line, you'll return back the call.
Nawe nje phambi kwenkosi enkantolo mangaringi phone yakho ngenamba ongayazi ma ikhoti iphuma uyathatha ifone uyayifonela lo number ufuna ukuza ukuthi ubani lo muntu.
And also, as you are standing before the court now, if you receive a call with a number that is unknown to you, after the court adjourns, you will now call back the same number that called you.
We have earlier traversed the calls between you and your grandmother that you save as Gogo index 149 with the number 06606822412. Do you remember that?
Uyakhumbula ke sike sathi ubamba futhi ke malana ke nama calls ke phakathi ke gogogo ugogo wakho ke une number le 06606822412 sike sakhuluma ngakho lokho.
Yebo.
Yes.
We traverse calls amounting to 33 calls between the period 26 June 2020 and 11 November 2020 between your number and Gogo's number.
Futhi ke sachaza futhi abeka ukuthi ke sathola yonke ngamakhola ngaba u33 wonke mawahlangene kusukela inkathini ke u26 June ngo2020 kuze kube u11 November ngo2020 okwamakhola ke phakathi kwakho ke naye ugogo.
Not phakathi kwami.
not,
ngiyanqaba ukuthi phakathi kwami
not between myself.
ngoba mina ifoni ngihlola na ngoJune 16 mangiboshwa
Because the last time I had the phone was on the 16th of June.
Yes.
A complaint, if I myself didn't know where my phone is at that time. Muthoma bhena nomkhani wenzana?
ifoni yami yayikubo
Okay.
abezokhuluma ngizotshela abantu nomuntu ofonela ifoni yami
And my banner was not, I mean, my phone was not with me, it was my banner, it was with my banner and Mohane. So how would they have come to complain?
okunye lapha phambi kosenkantolo ekumqoka la fela ukuvezela ngisephukenge nge-19 uGininda ukhona
Maka. On the 19th, I'm at Pukeng and Gininda is also around.
ifoni yami khona ephukenge
And my phone is also at Pukeng.
imukela ama-SMS
It received SMSs
mina ngifasiwe izandla
and I'm handcuffed.
uGininda engavuma iphoyisa ekhulu ukuthi ngibe nefoni ngiphethe kwayidini ifoni
You think Gininda would have allowed that I have my phone in my pocket?
ingakho nje kumile phambi kodwa kodwa ngicela ungitshele ifoni yami mina yayenzwani lapha yayihlele khona
That is why I am still requesting before the court that I be told where was my phone and what was it used to do.
lapha ekhoti ngicelile ngoba naka amathawa ase-allowed amathawa la-Queenfoot yaseverele ngayitshela ukuthi ngicela ungibonise ukuphuma kwami nokungena kwami kwaseverele awuzange ungikhombise lapha ekhona ukuze ngizovumelana nala mathawa
And now, looking at these towers that you had mentioned, the Queenswood towers in Verulam, I had initially requested that you show when I was in Verulam and also out of Verulam, so that I can be able to confirm or answer to these calls that you have just placed on record.
Yes, we have started by doing that. We've referred to Exhibit EE in brackets 1, 2, and 3. The proceedings at Boksburg Magistrate Court on the 27th of October 2020, 27 November 2020, and 5th of March 2021.
Sikwenzile lokho ngoba ke siye sakulethela ke exhibit EE lokho make ngokwenzakala ngalenkathi ke uvele ke lapha enkantolo yase Boksburg ke usuku ke beku 27 October ngo2020 uphinde futhi ovela futhi ngomhla ka 27 November 2020 nangomhla ka 5 March 2021.
ingakho ngithe kodwa ukukhuluma leqiniso mawuthi ngomhla ka 5 March mina bengila ePitoli bengiseRustenburg eRamshana
That is why I am saying you are not telling the court the truth, because on that date, the 5th of March, I was in Pretoria at Ramshan.
mina ejele eRustenburg ngingene ngayi-1 ejele lakho 2021 manje mawuthi ngayi-5 mina ngangela everele ya lokho akulona iqiniso
I was detained at the Rustenburg prison on the 1st
2021 ngoMarch
on the 1st of March 2021
ngizoya ecourt ngayi-5
to appear on the 5th of the same month in court.
Mr. Ntanzi, we were quoting the proceedings which we put forward to you as to what is written on the appearances of those dates. We also referred to a letter from the Station Commissioner of Valeria requesting that you be postponed. That letter was dated 27 October 2020, that you be postponed to Valeria Police Station.
Ibesukubekala nje Mntanzi ukuthi ke ngokwenzakala ngalenkathi ke uzovela enkantolo saphinde futhi sakhombisa futhi ke lencwadi ke bephuma ku station commander wase Valeria ngalenkathi icela ukuthi ke icala lakho ke lihlehliswe ke lihlehlisele khona lapha eValeria.
ingakho ngikuphendula ngathi nami phambi kosenkantolo ukhuluma lona iqiniso
That is also why I am giving you this response, that you are not telling the court the truth.
incwadi lokhuluma ngayo ngishilo ngathi ngiyayibona ngathi mina eVerele bengihlala ePretoria mode iVerele angazi iPretoria banye police station ama-police station ngihlala kola ayi-4 mina lapha ePitoli 4 police station
I did mention before the court that I was not detained in one police station. At some point I'll be in Pretoria North and in Pretoria and also in Valeria, but all in all I was detained in 4 different police stations.